Welcome to sunny South Florida. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert, and today we're touring the newest Valencia community in Boynton Beach, designed for those seeking privacy, comfort, world-class amenities, and the ultimate Florida lifestyle. Valencia is more than just a home. It is about retiring or relocating to a place where every detail, from resort-style amenities to beautifully landscaped streets, have been crafted for ease, elegance, and enjoyment. Imagine waking up to serene surroundings, private club-style living in a vibrant community that feels like home from the moment you arrive. If you're considering a move to South Florida for retirement or just that ultimate luxury lifestyle, you are in the right place. Let's take a closer look at what makes Valencia del Mar one of the most desirable addresses in Palm Beach. The Venice model combines bold design, comfort, and luxury in a beautiful lakefront home. Offered at 2,445 square feet under air, a 3-car garage, 3 ensuite bedrooms, and a study off of the foyer, a powder room for guests, and a dramatic entrance opening up to 14-foot ceilings with expansive porcelain tile flooring that anchors this open concept layout. The kitchen features an oversized island, quartz countertops, and high-end appliances, all framed by custom ceiling treatments in the great room. The primary suite offers rich detailing with built-in closets, a feature wall treatments, and a spa-inspired bath. Sliding glass doors reveal a resort-style outdoor space with a sun shelf, a raised spa, gas heater, and summer kitchen, all overlooking the lake. Every finish has been hand-selected to make your move effortless. At Valencia, the 55-plus lifestyle reaches new heights with exceptional resort-style amenities. The spectacular clubhouse features everything from an indoor pickleball court and yoga garden to a full-service spa and elegant restaurant. Lounge by the resort-style pool, meet friends for drinks at the patio bar, or explore your creativity in the arts and crafts studio. Stay energized with group fitness classes, unwind in the sports lounge, or join one of the many clubs and activities offered daily. Thinking about making a move to South Florida, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your relocation and new construction expert, and let's find your dream home together. Thank you for joining me on this tour of one of Palm Beach's most exclusive new construction communities. These luxury homes are more than just beautiful designs, they're about creating a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and privacy here in South Florida. If you're considering a move to Palm Beach and want expert guidance on securing the perfect new construction home, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. My job is to simplify the process, give you insider access, and make sure you find a home that truly fits your vision. Be sure to subscribe for more luxury home tours across South Florida, and if this home feels like the right fit, all of my contact information is here. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert, and I will see you on the next tour.